welcome to Expressions, the DIY channel. Welcome to a new video. Today I come with a super easy idea that could be a present for your partner, your bestie, or your beloved ones on Valentine's Day. So here we go.
Let me introduce first my heart rock collection. As you can see, they have a heart shape and some of them a triangle shape, but we can fit a heart perfectly. Once they're cleaned, they're ready to have a background. I will paint both black. With this white colored pencil, I will sketch a heart. Now I will start to work on the first rock. I will paint the heart red. And ta-da! Let's get ready to decorate this cool rock using the dotting tools. By the way, I have a tutorial where I show you my dotting tools collection plus how to replace them in case you don't have ones. Now enjoy the time lapse.
you like this video, it's super easy to create one or more than that. Now you don't need to look for a present on a shop because you can create your own one. And the most important is that you are making a present with all your heart, and a lot of people would appreciate that. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends or in your social media. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for notifications. Wish you an amazing and lovely Valentine's Day. Don't forget to appreciate the people that you love. Keep splashing all the love and happiness around the world. Take care of yourself and see you next time.